Dear brothers and sisters in the Dharma, may you be well and peaceful. We are going to chant the Bhujanga Parita, the Enlightenment Factors Protection. Parita means protection or safeguard. Examples of paritas are the Mangala Sutta, Metta Sutta, Ratana Sutta, and the Bhujanga Parita. Parita chanting is a Buddhist practice where certain scriptural verses are recited to ward off misfortune or danger and for healing sicknesses. The Bhujanga Parita was first chanted in Rajagaha or Rashke in India. We will now begin the Bhujanga Parita chanting. Bojango satisangkato dhammarnang vicayo tata viriyang pitipasa di bojanga catata pare samadupe kabojanga sate te sabadasina munina samadakata bavitar bahuli kata samvartang ti abinyar yani bana yachabo diyar ete nasa Cawaje nasotite otusa badare kasamin samaye nato mogalanang caka sapanggilane dukite disawar bojangge satade Saite catang abinang ditawa roga mucim sutang kane ete nasa cawaje naso tite otusa badare kadadang Maraja pigilanye na pipilito Chunda tere natanye wabana petawa nasa narang samoditawa ca abadatang avutasita nasorete nasa cawaje nasotite otusa badar pahinarte caabadating nang nam pimarhi sinang margar hatakilesa wapata nupatitang matang ete nasa cawaje nasotite otusar badar. Sharing of merits with devas and all beings. Ita vata chamehi sampatang punya sampatang Sabe devar, sabe buta, sabe satar anumodantu, sabha sampati siddhiyar. Idang me natinang hotu, sukitar hontu natayo. Idang me natinang hotu, sukitar hontu natayo. Idang me natinang hotu, sukitar hontu natayo. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. May you be free from harm and danger. May you be free from suffering. May you be healthy, happy, and peaceful. May the power of the Triple Gem bless and protect you. Brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, we shall now read the English translation of the Bhujanga Parita and contemplate on the verses. These 7 factors of enlightenment are, namely, mindfulness, investigation of dhammas, effort, joy, tranquility, concentration, and equanimity. These 7, which are well taught by the all-seeing sage, if developed and frequently practiced, bring about the higher knowledges, nibbana and enlightenment. By the speaking of this truth, ever in safety may you be. Once when the Lord saw Venerable Moggallana and Venerable Kassapa suffering from sickness, he taught the 7 factors of enlightenment. They, having rejoiced at the discourse, immediately were freed from the sickness. By the speaking of this truth, ever in safety may you be. Once when the king of Dharma was afflicted by sickness, Venerable Chunda was asked to recite the 7 enlightenment factors. Then, having rejoiced, he arose from that diseased condition. By the speaking of this truth, ever in safety may you be. The sicknesses were got rid of by those 3 great sages, as the path destroys the defilements. One attains what can be attained according to Dhamma. By the speaking of this truth, ever in safety may you be. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.